Welcome to our journey towards better health. Ever wondered why a balanced diet is so important? A balanced diet is the cornerstone of good health, providing the nutrients our bodies need. Let's start with carbohydrates, the body's main source of energy. Proteins are essential for growth and repair, while fats provide energy and support cell growth. Vitamins, minerals, and fiber play crucial roles in our overall health and well-being. A balanced diet helps maintain a healthy weight, reducing the risk of chronic diseases. It also boosts our immune system, helping us fight off illnesses. And it's not just about physical health. A balanced diet can improve our mental well-being too. So, how can we achieve a balanced diet? Start by choosing fresh, natural foods. Control your portion sizes. It's not just about what you eat, but how much you eat. And remember, balance is key. Include a variety of foods in your diet. Lastly, enjoy your food. Eating should be a pleasure, not a chore. We hope you found this information helpful. Ready to start your journey towards better health? Remember, every small step counts. It's never too late to start. We'd love to hear your thoughts. What's your favorite healthy food? Don't forget to subscribe for more